it's Adorable One's Otaku once again, and I'm here to react to another video of LongbeachGriffy, so go watch it.
Hey! Back the fuck up. Yo, bro, I'm not fucking around, man.
I'm sorry, dude.
You got me fucked up.
Dude, relax. They're just my allergies.
Lies. Chinese people don't get allergies. You got that Chinese Ebola thing.
The coronavirus? No, dude, I'm not even Chinese. I'm Korean.
Chinese, Koreanese, Japanese, it's all the same shit. You all look alike, for Christ's sake.
They're not the same.
Is
They're not the same.
incredibly racist.
Is it
But they're all
though?
Asian.
I don't even know why TSA let y'all through. Won't let me take half a bottle of water on a plane, but gonna let through a family of diseased niggas with the potential
It's
of
not a
starting a
disease,
zombie
it's a virus.
apocalypse. I don't fucking get.
Where else are those families supposed to go?
Antarctica or Florida. Nobody gives a fuck about Florida. Florida don't even give a fuck about Florida.
Look, man,
And allergies are real, so
Sneeze again.
anybody can get it.
Sneeze again. I will blow your motherfucking head off your motherfucking head. Do it. Do it. Play with me. Play with me. I can't even get a happy in and out of massage parlor because of you motherfuckers.
Oh my god. The ending was epic. Oh my god. He always had to say motherfucker. And then like the song was like day after day. Like, oh my god. I can't. Oh my god. And the gun that was like the fact is that, I mean, there are racist people, and of course the coronavirus came from China, but just because a Chinese person sneezes or cough, it doesn't mean that we have the virus, because if you only get the virus if you came back from China and Wuhan, so technically you can only get the virus from that. If you're only Chinese and you're living in America, then you're there's no reason to be racist. So that's what I need to say. And it's racist that people try to say, oh, Chinese people sneezes, they cough, they have the virus, blah blah blah, they get away from them, or hit them. That doesn't make sense at all. Seriously, people need to stop. Okay, so that's it for the video and reaction. So bye guys. I might do another reaction video next time. I can do more LongbeachGriffy, or I can do K-pop City, or anime, anything you want. You can comment below what you want me to react. So bye.